Hey everyone. In this video, I'll show you how to install Cursor AI on Windows step by step. Let's get started. Open your browser, search for Cursor AI download. From the search results, open the official Cursor website. The link is also available in the description below. Once you're on the website, click on Download. Then click Download for Windows. The download will start automatically. Once the download is complete, open the Downloads folder. Locate the installer file. Double-click the installer to begin the installation. Once the installer opens, accept the license agreement. Then click Next. Keep the default installation path. Click Next. Select the Start menu folder. Keep the default option and click Next. Now on the Additional Tasks screen, enable Register Cursor as an editor for supported file types. This allows Cursor to appear as an option while opening code files. Also enable Add to Path. This allows you to launch Cursor directly from Command Prompt or PowerShell. Then click Next. Now click Install. Cursor is now being installed on your system. This may take a few moments. Meanwhile, here's why developers are excited about Cursor. It includes built-in AI coding assistance, smart code generation, AI chat, and intelligent code editing features. It's quickly becoming one of the most popular AI-powered editors for developers. Once the installation is complete, click Finish. As you can see, Cursor has now opened automatically. To use AI features, sign into your Cursor account. Click Sign In. Then continue using Google or GitHub. Cursor offers a pro plan with additional AI usage and advanced features. You can explore it later, but for now, click Skip for now. You'll also see an option for data sharing. Disable it if you prefer not to share usage data. Next, Cursor will ask you to connect a GitHub or GitLab account. I'm skipping this step for now, but you can connect yours anytime later. Finally, click Login. Once signed in, you'll be able to access Cursor AI features. And that's it. You've successfully installed Cursor AI on Windows. If you want to go further, I've got more videos coming up right after this. Make sure to check them out. If this video helped you, hit like and consider subscribing. It really helps the channel grow. Thanks for watching. I'll see you in the next one.